Hi guys, it's Amber Scholl, and this is my closet tour. Ta-da! That's the whole thing.
Yes, that's me, and you probably just saw me clean out my closet to the point of having literally nothing. So now I need to rebuild my entire wardrobe from scratch. My new everyday sneaker. Because I have truly, for once, the literal, actual scenario of I have nothing to wear.
Actually, considering how it looked when I cleaned it out, this is actually very full. Tons of stuff in here, guys.
I got rid of 99% of what I own, you guys saw, and now I have been spending the last month since then trying to kind of rebuild my wardrobe. If you watched that video, you already know this, but I've been on kind of like a spiritual journey lately. I just want to be the absolute best version of myself in every way, and that, while obviously it's like an inner spiritual journey, like very much about the inner self, I'm trying to take steps on the outside to help the inside. You know, make the outside space as perfect as it can be so the inside space can grow along with it. Because y'all know it's me, and like Cinderella, I truly do believe that a new pair of shoes can change your life.
Oh yes, the shoe department. How lovely.
Okay, so you guys are always dragging me about owning one pair of sneakers. I know.
Like you guys know, I've bought these like 6 times. I just wear them all the time and get them filthy. I love them, but I need something else. My new everyday sneaker.
All right, so let's see. There's lots to choose from. I am kind of boring though. As much as I love these, which I really do, I am looking for an everyday like this. You know, the Chanel version of Jordans. Again, not really a sneaker, but so, ugh. God. I have some questions about what they're doing lately, but I'll keep those to myself. All right, guys, what do you think? Classic, what actually, oh wow, actually that's so cute. Whew. Are they comfy? I like them.
All right, guys. Well, I think you can guess what's in here, but I'll show you in the haul anyway. For now, we're gonna keep shopping.
This has nothing to do with anything, but this is my favorite froyo place in LA, by the way. So if you're in Beverly Hills, check it out.
We have a guest today. Hi, Pete.
Hi! Yay! Alyssa is going to come with me on a little shoppy adventure. So we're gonna go to a mall that I haven't been to in like years. We'll see. It's rare that there's a mall I haven't been to in years.
This is true.
Dun, 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 dun.
Look at all of these swimsuits. These are so cool. These are awesome because they're like bras. So they have like actual cups. I'm obsessed with them. You guys recognize this one? This is the one I got in Greece. So I want to get it in every color. Well, we bought every swimsuit that exists.
Yep.
The mall is like having a rager right now. I don't know what's going on, but anyways.
So like I said, instead of having 50 million pairs of things, I want like one really good pair. So let's see.
All right, so these are like just a classic everyday pair of jean shorts that actually fit me.
Thank you. Woo! Hi!
Nice to meet you.
You too. Thank you so much. Bye, thanks. Woo!
Alright guys, I know this is literally so random, but in the middle of this shopping vlog, I decided to stop off at a museum literally by myself because they have an exhibit of one of my favorite sculptors, so I thought I would check it out.
I love this, ladies. I had so much fun taking myself to this museum, by the way. A nice little metaphor for kind of what I'm trying to do. Just enjoy my life in every way. Not to mention they had an exhibit of old furniture that really gave me some inspo for the Sky Castle.
I love this place so much. Oh, this is just my favorite hotel in the whole world. So we're actually gonna go to the gift shop. I've had my birthday brunch here every year since I turned 21.
Oh, look how cute. I just love a little gift shop. Oh, what can we get? Oh, God. Oh, it's so cute in here. Look at them all. I actually quite fancy this one.
Yay! Dun 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 dun!
Okay, so you guys know I love my shoes. My shoes are so fabulous. They are literally like my children. I've collected the rarest and coolest shoes from all over the world, literally. These in Dubai, I got these in Las Vegas, I got these in Japan, and I got these online yesterday from The RealReal. I actually didn't even take the sticker off of these yet, but these are just black Louboutin pumps. I buy used Louboutins literally all the time because they're just gonna get ruined anyway, so who cares? And instead of them being $900, they were only $187. The RealReal has amazing shoes. I buy shoes on there literally all the time. But anyways, I got these because these are a great capsule shoe. Oh, like these are just so hot and classic. Anytime I need a professional business shoe, boom, there it is. Now I have the classic black pump. Weird, I know, but I've actually never had a classic black pump. If you're thinking I thought that she did, no, this is what I had. These are my current classic Louboutin pumps. So needless to say, I can't really wear those on too many business meetings. So these are perfect. I actually also rebought the round toe version. I had these a while ago, but they were too small for me. So I sold them on Poshmark and then I got a bigger size. So I also just got the round toe version again, but now you can see, so like this is what I kind of mean by capsule collection. So now if I need to be professional, I got the pumps, I got the round toe version, I have the nude version, I wanna go out and party, I got this version. I just have something for everything that's like basic. Because as much as I love these, sadly, some people don't consider them an everyday shoe. I also got, like I said, got rid of most of my hats, except for the one that I bought at the Ritz Paris, which I'm now obsessed with. I've been wearing it like every day for a long time now, so I also got some hats. From Guess, I got this one, which is actually really cool because it's a throwback to like a vintage hat that they used to sell. So cute. And from the Beverly Hills Hotel, I actually got two hats because like I said, it's my favorite hotel ever, and I just really couldn't decide, and since I have no hats, I figured it was cute. But we got that one, and then this one with the little emblem on it. And like I said, now instead of having 7,000 hats that are like dirty and crumpled and like make me look crazy, now I have clean, brand new ones that represent something and a place that I love. So I like it. Okay, I know most people don't shop for like everyday attire at Victoria's Secret, but that's like my favorite thing to buy from there. So I actually got this silky little corset top that I'm wearing. Yes, I actually got this from Victoria's Secret. You can see it's giving very like Bridgerton vibes. Ugh, I love a good sucky outfit. So you guys know one of the cardinal rules that I always say about shopping is if you like it, buy it in every color. So I bought this in Cinderella, Periwinkle Blue, Louis Vuitton Brown, and Jasmine Red, and also black and also white. It doesn't really look like much on the floor here, but this is actually made of 100% silk. It has the tie-up back, so if you can really like make it fit however you want. You guys know I love things to be like suffocating me practically, so love this. Like look, if I pull it even tighter. Oh yeah, baby. Hot. This is just a really good like jeans and a tee, or you can dress it up kind of look, which is really what you need in a capsule wardrobe. I wore this to the Blink-182 concert the other day and you all loved it, so. I bought these shorts, big surprise. Now, I know these look like kind of short to the average person. However, guys, these are actually really long for me. These are now my professional shorts. From the Swimsuit store, like I said, I am obsessed with this swimsuit brand. I bought so many of these. So I got the red one in Greece, but I also got, again, the white version and the black version, just so now I have classic, staple, great fitting bikinis. I wore the red Princess Jasmine one in Vegas over the weekend, and let me tell you, it was a smash hit.
But anyways, yes, like I was saying in my last videos, I really, instead of, wanting 50 random ass bikinis that I think are just kind of okay, I want 5 that I love that make me feel amazing. The whole vibe is really quality over quantity now.
So that's always kind of been my motto for like shoes and bags and jewelry and things. But for clothes, you guys know I have been overconsumption Barbie for many years, and I just want to change that. I'm done. I don't want 500 little black dresses. I want one that's amazing. The idea is really, like I said, capsule wardrobe.
So that's what I'm really trying to do. And obviously, I'm no expert yet, but it's fun to do things with a brand new mindset. And that's just kind of what my little new vibe is all about. So doing the best you can and having fun.
And I know in my last few videos, I've been just raving about the Skims nipple bra. I love that bra, but I figured it would be a good idea to have maybe a bra that doesn't have nipples attached to it. So I actually got this at Victoria's Secret. If you have bigger boobs, this bra is amazing. It's like low plunge. I got this bra in 2 colors. I got nude and black. So now I have these and the nipply versions, but this is a really good bra. It just made your boobs look extra good. So I'm trying to get my intimates in order as well, you know? I don't need 800 bras. I just need like 5 good ones. To be clear, I still collect fancy lingerie, but for everyday bras, yeah, I just want to have like a couple of go-to basic ones. So now I have the nipply ones and the non-nipply ones. Don't mind all these lines from the corset, but
I also got a bunch of little plain like shorts and tops outfits that I could just wear whenever, just kind of matching top, matching bottom. I actually picked up all of these from H&M and I got it in like every single color. Not exactly the nicest outfits in the world, but you know, to run to Trader Joe's with one of my cool new hats on, pretty perfect. I also got a couple little basic skirts on Amazon. I really like these. They're like a spandexy kind of skimsy nice material. So I got white, I got black, and I have a couple others in the mail. Those are all linked below as well as everything else, by the way, if you want to shop. So now I have better looking lazy clothes, if that makes sense.
like I said, I'm just trying to make everything easier for myself. I can't be ball gowns in the grocery store every day. I just need some easy to throw on stuff that's gonna be like just thoughtless. So this is actually a really great little set. I will do like the ultimate basics haul soon if you guys are interested in that. I think that could be a good video. So if you want to see that, like, comment, subscribe. But anyways, back to what else I got. And last but not least, dun dun dun, ta-da! I got the white sneakers, which were a Splurge item, but let me tell you, actually selling online already for like double retail. So like I said, I trade fashion all the time. So these are something I can probably wear for years and still sell them for almost what I paid for them. Pretty cool. On the topic of quality, by the way, as beautiful as this is, these are having their last moments on 333. Like I've been saying, speaking of quality over quantity, I am finally revamping 333 like I've been saying for so long. And in order to do that and relaunch the website, guess what that means? That means I am clearing the whole thing out. Literally everything is on sale right now. Everything that is on the website now is not coming back. This is it. So if you want something, these are the best prices ever.
Every single product in the future is going to be fully bespoke, hand designed, every single thing, literally by me. I've been teasing a few of them lately, but you won't even believe how fabulous all the new stuff is. So anyways, yes, clearing up the website to relaunch with all new branding and everything. But for now, we have the last few of all of the old styles on there.
So those are all on sale until literally they're all gone. So good luck, happy shopping. And I'm really looking forward to sharing the new stuff with you guys. So anyways, that's that for now. And so that's what I bought. I definitely still don't have a whole wardrobe by any stretch of the imagination, but slowly but surely I'm going to fill this up with things that make sense and that I love and that make me feel amazing when I put them on, you know? Like I just don't want to wear anything that I don't think is the best damn thing I've ever put on in my life. So that is the new vibe, and I think that's going to carry into just everything.
You know, your whole life kind of revolves around beauty in a weird way if you think about it, and beauty is whatever it is that you like. So it's nice, especially with fashion, to get back to yourself and enjoy.
Best outfits, best self, best foot forward. So on that note, I love you guys so very much. Kisses till next time. XO. Hey guys, in the first installment of I Buy Myself a New Wardrobe. Ow, relax! Wow, it just turned green! Road rage, Los Angeles.
That was crazy.